Hello and welcome to Scholarship Hive. This is Mavish Ramzan here. I hope you are in a good health. I am here with another exciting opportunity. This time it is from KOC Turkey University. It is a fully funded scholarship. If you are new to our channel, then kindly consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well to turn it from red to grey. A diverse range of programs and fields are offered in this university for Turkish and international students with several scholarships. KOC University's ranking is very high among international universities. Applicants can apply for KOC University bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs of different fields by visiting the official website of this university. There are also KOC University medical school programs as well. The application process is completely online, and you also will be considered for scholarship automatically if you apply for admission. Its acceptance rate for the scholarship is good, and KOC University admission fees and many other benefits are included in this scholarship. There is a plus point to gain this scholarship is that you get a chance to study and visit one of the most beautiful countries in the world, Istanbul, that is. Next are the brief details about this scholarship. Its country, I already mentioned, it's Turkey. University, KOC University. Scholarship name, KOC University Scholarship. Course level, it offers bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Deadline varies from program to program. Next is the undergraduate programs offered at KOC University. School of Law, College of Social Sciences and Humanities, School of Medicine, Engineering, Nursing, Sciences, and etc. Graduate School of Business, School of Social Sciences and Humanities, School of Sciences and Engineering, Health Sciences. They all offer a variety of programs. I suggest you to you may pause the video and take a screenshot of these programs so you can easily find your desired programs in which you want to apply for. And these are also written on the KOC University's official website. Next, I will tell you the benefits of this scholarship. But before that, I will tell you master's course time is 2 years and PhD it is 3 years. So KOC University Master's Scholarship will provide you tuition waiver scholarship, monthly stipend during degree, and accommodation in the university. KOC University PhD Scholarship will provide you tuition waiver scholarship, monthly stipend during degree, free accommodation, health insurance, office space. It also provides you a laptop and your air travel tickets. Next are the general documents required: SOP, statement of purpose or letter of motivation, motivation letter, curriculum vitae, CV, resume, transcripts and CGPA of the degree is also required, obviously, and diplomas of the concerned degree, letters of recommendation from your referees, your teachers. Deadline varies from program to program. Then you will go to the official website link. This is the official website. The programs, the institutes, schools are also written there. To apply for master's or PhD, you will go to the graduate programs and then you will go to how to apply. I'm directly going to this tab to save my time. There is no need for a separate scholarship application. You only need to apply to this program, to the program of your choice. Scholarship decisions are based on academic merit and not on financial need. Next important thing, the application process is free. There is no application fee except for master without thesis programs in the Graduate School of Business. After that, I also suggest you should read this page, and then you will go to graduate online application form. This page will appear in front of you. You have to sign in or register first. This screen will appear after clicking register. In this case, when you are a new applicant, you will click there, I am a new applicant, to register. This screen will appear. After this, you will enter your email, and after this a 4-digit PIN code will be seen to you, and a login link will be sent to your email that you have already entered there. It will be sent automatically by the system. You will go to that link, enter the PIN code that was shown before. You will enter your full name, and then you will choose a password and click register. After this very small and easy initial registering process, you will create your applicant account, which is also very easy. You will enter your full name, email, citizenship. You can also add your mobile number, but that was optional. And if your citizenship was not mentioned there, you will select it from the drop down list. So I have done this procedure, so I'm just continuing. After that, you will check the box at the bottom, I agree, and then you will continue. Then you will first select a study program from this list. I'm selecting masters, and then you will click find programs. Here the blurred bullets show application period has ended. You can only apply to those programs whose deadlines have not passed, or those which are accepted all the year round. I'm selecting this archaeology and history of art, just an example to show you. The step-by-step application procedure will be same for rest of the programs. So click apply now. It's the fall semester 2021 to 2022. So after clicking on the relevant degree program, its linked application portal will be open in front of you. First is the priorities. You will add up to 3 degree programs in your priority order of study. I have mentioned there 2 to show you. You can add from there, add more choices. Next is your profile. You will enter your name first, middle, and your last name. Select your gender, marital status, nationality, your citizenship from the drop-down menu. Your country of residence, your parents' information, their names. You will also add your photograph. And you will here enter Turkish national identification number if you have, and it's for a Turkish citizen. You will enter your passport number, its issuance date, expiry date, country of issuance, your ID card number, date of birth, and place of birth. You will submit it from there and then move on to the next field. It is contacts. You will enter your street address, house number, apartment number, city, town, village, region, province, country. You can also add your LinkedIn ID. You can also enter your Skype ID. You will give your mobile number and your home telephone number is full. Then is the most important education portion. You will upload your transcripts in PDF format, and you will choose your level of education, high school, associate degree, bachelor's, etc. You will write the official name of your institute, or university or school, the program name, your degree name, your start of your studies, and expected graduation finishing date, your GPA and maximum GPA. You can indicate your academic honors, if any, if you have gained in your during your studies, and you can also indicate your class ranking at graduation. These are optional fields, but they will also count during the recruitment. Then is the scores. Yes, here I must mention there IELTS is no longer a valid English proficiency exam in Turkey due to national regulations. IELTS score 6.5 and above. You may upload it as a only supporting document, and you will be required to take one of the acceptable exams listed above. It's TOEFL or IBT. The minimum score you have to gain, you have to achieve, and it is 80. And second thing is PBT is also accepted for applicants from countries where IBT testing is not available. So I must say you have to read this page. It's very important. Activities. You can add your activities there. Then is the references. You will enter your teachers or referees, their names and emails, and you will submit it from the bottom, and then you will upload the documents. Next is the SOP, a motivational letter. You have to write it there in this area, and its range is from 1500 to 4000 words. Remain in that, and others. How did you hear about KOC University? Mail, portals, education fair, website. So I will be selecting from website or social media. Social media will be fine. Others. Okay. Next, they are saying if you are eligible for country-specific scholarships, you can select from there where you are eligible. Otherwise, you will select Turkish scholarships. As there is not a red mark and this is not a mandatory question, if you do not understand this question, then leave this question empty. If you select the scholarship type, then you have to explain it there. You will submit it, and finally is the checklist. After you have reviewed all the things, all the documents, and each and everything, and check your application properly and thoroughly, you will finally submit it. I'm not going to apply, so I have not filled it, but I have showed you properly. So you will submit it, and finally it will be submitted. So this is all about KOC University's Turkish fully funded scholarship. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, as it will encourage us and motivate us, and we will bring such amazing scholarships and internships and future opportunities for you. Your queries are highly welcomed in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching.